Hey there, investing junkies. The stock market, it's a wild ride, right? One minute you're on top of the world, and the next, you're wondering where all your money went. Up, down, sideways, loop-de-loops. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a Powerball machine. It's like being on a never-ending roller coaster, and you never know when the next drop is coming. But fear not, because Jim Cramer is here to guide you through the chaos. With his energetic style and deep insights, he's like the stock market's very own superhero. Today we're diving into the world of Palantir, a company that sounds like it belongs in a Tolkien novel but actually makes its money off data. Yes, data, the lifeblood of the modern economy. Data, people, it's the new gold rush. Companies are scrambling to get their hands on as much of it as possible, and Palantir is right at the forefront. But before you go digging for digital nuggets, let's see if Palantir is a gold mine or a money pit. Is it the next big thing or just another tech bubble waiting to burst? So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the world of Palantir. Get ready to explore the highs, the lows, and everything in between. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. What does Palantir actually do? In a nutshell, they're like the Sherlock Holmes of data. They help governments and companies make sense of mountains of information, connecting the dots to solve complex problems. Think about it like this. You've got a giant jigsaw puzzle, but the pieces are scattered everywhere. Palantir comes in with their fancy software, scoops up all those pieces, and puts them together in a way that actually makes sense. They're big on security, intelligence, and all that cloak and dagger stuff. They've helped track down terrorists, bust drug cartels, and even predict where the next big earthquake might hit. Pretty impressive, right? So, how's Palantir been doing in the stock market? Well, it's been a bit of a roller coaster, to be honest. They've had some big wins, landing huge government contracts and expanding into new industries. But they've also had their fair share of stumbles. Their stock price has been volatile, and some investors are worried about their reliance on government contracts. Plus, they've been criticized for their work with law enforcement agencies, with some folks raising ethical concerns. It's a mixed bag, folks. But hey, what's life without a little risk, right? Section 4. The tech scene. It's a jungle out there. Now let's talk about the tech industry as a whole. It's a jungle out there, folks. Competition is fierce, and new players are popping up left and right. Palantir isn't the only game in town when it comes to data analytics. We've got giants like Microsoft and Amazon throwing their hats into the ring, not to mention a whole slew of startups vying for a piece of the pie. It's a dog-eat-dog world out there, and only the strong survive. So, can Palantir hack it in this cutthroat environment? Only time will tell, but they've definitely got their work cut out for them. Section 5. The crystal ball is cloudy risks with Palantir. Investing in Palantir is like peering into a cloudy crystal ball, full of uncertainties and potential pitfalls. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, the risks of investing in Palantir. It's crucial to understand these risks before making any investment decisions. First off, their stock price is known for being, shall we say, a bit jumpy. The volatility can be quite nerve-wracking for investors. It's not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. If you're someone who can't handle the ups and downs, this might not be the stock for you. Second, their reliance on government contracts is a double-edged sword. While these contracts can be lucrative, they come with their own set of challenges. On the one hand, it provides a steady stream of revenue, which is great for financial stability. But on the other hand, it makes them vulnerable to political whims and budget cuts. Changes in government policies can significantly impact their bottom line. And then there are the ethical concerns. These are not to be taken lightly. Some folks aren't too keen on their work with law enforcement and intelligence agencies. This can lead to public backlash and affect the company's reputation. It's a sensitive issue, and it's something potential investors need to grapple with. Weighing these risks carefully is essential before making any investment. Section 6, bottom line, to buy or not to buy. So here's the million-dollar question. Should you buy Palantir stock in 2024? It's a decision that requires careful consideration and a deep dive into the company's fundamentals. Well, as with most things in life, it's complicated. There are many factors to weigh, and it's not a decision to be taken lightly. Palantir is a fascinating company with a ton of potential. Their innovative approach and unique solutions have positioned them as a leader in the tech industry. They're doing cutting-edge work, and their technology is in high demand. From government contracts to private sector applications, their reach is extensive. But they are also facing some serious challenges, and their future is far from certain. Market volatility, competition, and regulatory hurdles are just a few of the obstacles they must navigate. If you're a risk taker with a strong stomach for volatility, Palantir might be worth a gamble. The potential rewards could be significant, but so are the risks. But if you're looking for a safe and steady investment, you might want to look elsewhere. Stability and predictability are not Palantir's strong suits. The bottom line? Do your homework, weigh the risks and rewards, and make a decision that's right for you. It's essential to stay informed and be prepared for any outcome. And hey, if you make a killing, remember who gave you the hot tip. Just kidding. Sort of. Investing is a journey, and every decision counts.